Hello, it's Midnight Scroller. So I get a lot of questions on portraits, and the biggest question that I get is what size wood do I use? I use 1/8 if I frame it in glass, and I use 1/4 if I put a wood 1/8 backer on it. I do saw with spiral blades. I saw with Flying Dutchman. 0.3s and 0.2s are my go-tos, and I usually saw on Baltic birch. Another tip is always do the eyes first, because if you mess up on the eyes, you probably will want to start over because that is a focal point of your portrait. A lot of people ask me as well as what size portraits that I do, and it really depends on the pattern and how much detail. The smallest I normally go is a 12 by 18 for a portrait, and that's usually 1 or 2 people, and then they go up from there. My biggest portrait was 3 feet by 2 feet. When putting on my pattern, I put down contact paper or blue tape onto the wood first, and then I glue my pattern onto the tape or contact paper. Have any questions, just comment in the chat and I will respond to you. If you gained value from this, please like and subscribe and ring that bell.